Hey everyone, welcome to CAJUN I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. On today's episode, we're going to go ahead and do up some spicy barbecue ribs. We're going to cook them low and slow. We're going to go ahead and use some Sebastian sauces, cayenne hot sauce, and some Uncle Steve's competition pig powder. So let's go ahead and get started. Got a St. Louis cut right here. First things first, we're going to go ahead and trim up a little bit. I don't overly trim. Figured. Bought it. Paid for it. I'm gonna eat it, alright? Now let's go ahead and get this membrane off. Go ahead and stick your knife in underneath. Get your paper towel. And one of my neighbors is deciding to use a shooting range today. I live out in the country. Now that we've been trimmed up, membrane's gone. I'm going to go ahead and pat it all dry now. Look back over. And we're going to go ahead and use some of that Sebastian sauce's cayenne pepper. Hot sauce. That's our binder. Now we're going to go ahead and hit it up with that Uncle Steve's competition pig powder. Once the smoker comes up to temp, I'm running for about 250 to 275. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the grill. They look awesome. Took about 4.5 hours to cook. Came out perfect. Nice pullback on the bones here. So go ahead now and cut them up. They kind of run on a slant, so we're going to go ahead and cut them. Cut through like butter. Got a nice little smoke ring we got here. It tastes great. Got a nice little spice kick to them. Thanks to that Sebastian sauces. Love that Uncle Steve shake. Can't go wrong. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.